Kitty Duterte, daughter of former President Rodrigo Duterte, files a writ of habeas corpus petition with the Supreme Court seeking the return of her father, who was arrested and sent to the International Criminal Court in the Netherlands for crimes against humanity. She is represented by Duterte's former Chief Presidential Legal Counsel Salvador Panelo, along with Panelo's son, Salvador Paulo Jr. In the petition, Kitty asked the High Court to pressure the government to return the former president to the country.
Asa kami na dahil itong eroplano ay nasa kustodiya pa ng Pilipinas, maasa kami na pag-inutusan sa Supreme Court na ibalik si Pangulong Duterte dito at i-presenta sa Supreme Court, kaya pa rin nilang gawin.
Duterte was flown to The Hague just after 11 p.m. on Tuesday, March 11, after waiting at Villamor Air Base for over 10 hours for his flight.